Welcome back to the channel, guys. Pleasant good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, wherever you're watching from. If it's your first time, yeah man, go ahead and smash that subscription button. So yeah guys, today menu would be gonna be rice and peas and stewed tofu along with some fried snapper fish. Yeah man, that's what I'm gonna match up for today, yeah? So let me show you my ingredients down here. So yeah, this is my tofu. I'm gonna get it prepared in a minute. So when I'm adding the seasoning to it, I'll show that to you. Yeah, and this is my snapper fish. I already put some fish seasoning on it, and along with some garlic powder and a little black pepper. Yeah man. So I don't get this done off camera because time is against me, guys. Time is going. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get the tofu cut up in small pieces now. So that's my tofu, yeah? So I'm gonna put a little soy sauce. Let's sprinkle it with all-purpose over it, guys. Just a little all-purpose. Like so. Like that. And I've got a good one. Dry cashew, I'm going to sprinkle it over it. Okay. This is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stir it up. I'm going to give it a stir or give it a shake, whichever one you prefer. Yeah. I heard people been moaning about the tofu, they can't cut tofu, it's too soft. Look at this, look at my tofu, look how it's bouncing. Yeah man. Anyway guys, stay tuned, I soon come. Yeah guys, enjoy cooking at its best. So right about now I'm going to get my snapper in the oil, because the oil is hot. Now, the oil is proper. Meanwhile my fish frying, guys, I'm gonna get my kidney beans seasoner, yeah? I'm gonna put some thyme and scale and stuff. Stay tuned, so come. Hey guys, as you can see, my peas is finished pressure cook. So I transfer it from the pressure cooker into the small pot. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook my rest of the peas in the small pot. So now I'm gonna get coconut milk in here. That's my coconut milk. So these are strong guys. And I'm gonna add some thyme and chopped spring onion. And I've got some bell pepper as well. Along with this green pepper. That's it, my green pepper, so I'm going to add it as well. You know what guys, I'm going to put a little all-purpose in there as well. Come on. Let's give it a vibe, you know what I mean? Along with these blood balls that are filling the berries. Just add that filling in there, like that. Spice up the thing, yeah. I'm going to wait until the skin comes to a boil then. And add my rice in, so stay tuned. In my kitchen there, yeah, I mean, indoors cooking, so yeah. See fish coming out nicely. You can see, frying nicely. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's what I'm going. Now fry. And that is that. Stay tuned, guys. Soon come. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna get the rice in now. I already washed the rice, so yeah, I'm gonna get it in the pot now. I'm gonna cover this now and let it go in the pot. Check on my fish. Just over there. Rice in there. Just start to get them out of the pot. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, welcome back. So here, as you can see, I'm doing some vegetables to decorate my fish. Yeah, man. Here's my fried fish. I'm gonna get some vegetables over them. In the meantime, I've got a pot here with some oil. Fry my tofu. Yeah, I'm gonna fry my tofu in this pot. So stay tuned and watch what's going on there. Watch the process. So now, yeah, I'm gonna get this and my fish like so. So you guys, this is my finished product. Yeah, that's my fish. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, well dressed up and thing, looking lovely. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna get the tofu fried now. In the meantime, my rice. See what's going on with my rice. Go and fry. In the meantime, I'm gonna get some vegetable, dice up some vegetable in the meantime. So stay tuned, soon come. In my kitchen with there. Yeah, man. And guys, don't forget to like up the video. Them, you know what I mean? Share up the video them with your friends and your family members, and you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. Yeah, man. We appreciate that. You know what I mean? So stay tuned and soon come. Hey, guys. Meanwhile, the tofu is fried. I'm gonna make some sauce. I'm gonna add some olive oil in this pan over here. And this pan, guys, I've got loads of stuff in here. Except one thing. And chopping the garlic as it I'm gonna do so in a minute. So in here I've got some tomatoes. And I've got ginger. Chopped ginger as well. Yeah, ginger. And I've got carrot. Yeah. I've got bell pepper. Spring onion. I've got some red onion and I've got some white onion. So it's all mixed up. You know. Good old time. Yep. Get it in there as well. So I'm gonna leave this make it go and simmer for a bit. Yeah. I've got this to put in there as well and this piece of scotch bonnet. Yeah. So this come with heat, guys. Come with the heat. I mean, so yeah, I'm gonna put this in a bit. So anyway, you know, get maybe 2 cloves. Yeah, man, 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm gonna chop them up. Get them in there as well, just waiting on my tofu. Once it's finished fried, then yeah, let's get in the sauce. So stay tuned and watch what's going on, guys. Soon come. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna have chopped garlic to the vegetables now. star. Yeah, as you can see, my tofu is still frying over there. Yeah, so I'm gonna check on my rice and peas. Should be. This should be full. This should cook right now. Rice and peas is ready. Let's look at it. Say one general on the top. Them on the screen pepper. You know, a whole lot of flavor from that. Oh yeah! Oh God, the flavor is so good in the rice and peas. Oh my God, so tasty. Wow! Yeah man, in my kitchen with this. Right about now, guys, I'm going to turn off that stove because rice and peas finished. So I'm going to concentrate now on my sauce and my tofu. So stay tuned, guys. Soon come. So at the minute I'm making my sauce for the tofu.
Turn the heat up a bit.
Yeah, I'm going to add a little soy sauce in there. Add a little butter as well, guys. I'm going to put a little all-purpose maggi, like this. And sprinkle like so. And then you give it a stir. Let's see what's going on. Yeah man. Yeah man, it starts out guys. To add a little pepper, a little scotch bonnet. So I'm gonna put a little brown sugar as well, like so. Yeah man. I think I'm gonna add a little ketchup in there as well. Give yourself the 8 right like so that is it. That is it. You can give it a stir. I'm gonna give a piece of scotch bonnet with this. Let's get everything out there. Chop them down. Add a little bit more. All purpose. So in here guys, yeah, I've got like, you know, some vegetables, as I said, carrot, spring onion, bell pepper, and all them stuff, thyme, tomato, yeah. Here we go. And I had a little ketchup, all purpose, pepper, black pepper, garlic, a little butter, your sauce, a little brown sugar, we're good to go. So now I'm gonna add my fried tofu, guys, to the sauce now. Yeah. Yay! Come on. Alright, now let's leave this. Let's go and simmer for a bit. Yeah man. See it guys. Brown stew tofu. Here we go. Yeah, everything coming together nicely. I'm telling you, the flavor is so good. Yes, let me give you a close up. Give you guys a close up. You know, that's my stew tofu bubbling up. And this is my snapper fried fish. Put my vegetables and stuff on it. Please remember guys, like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, that's still bubbling guys, so I'm gonna turn off the stove in a minute. So stay tuned. So you guys, we have made it to the end of another video. So please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, around here in my kitchen with it. So catch you in another one guys. Be out.